And we're back to learning Inkscape in year day 5. Let me show you how you can set up the document templates. So you can see this page right here. That is the default. And if you go to File, New, you're gonna just open a new Inkscape file, which will have this default page. Let me close it. But if you go to File and then New from Template, this menu should pop up. And here you can actually set the size of this page. So here's, for example, a print selection. Business cards, even DVD covers. I don't know if people these days still use DVDs, but you can create your own covers here. For most people, social and video should be most interesting because here you get the typical sizes for social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, stuff like that. Let us, for example, pick 1280 x 720 for a YouTube thumbnail, and I create from template. And now you can see our page has a different width and height. And if I use here guides, this would be 1280. And the height is 720. So if you create your design now, you can be sure that this is the size that you need for a YouTube thumbnail, as long as you are within the boundaries of this page. Once again, it's under File, New from Template, and here you can set the basic structure of this layout. There's some more options, for example here Shape Builder. We're going to talk about that in a later video. As I've said, print, video and social. This should cover most of your needs. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.